active in your weakness.
Ngicela ngilaleleni uthi uNkulunkulu ke amandla ami asebenza kahle uma esebenza ebuthakathakeni. Amandla ami abonakala kahle uma ebonakala ebuthakathakeni. I want to tell you today, even in that frustration, some of you under frustration, you are called. Even on that poverty, there is a good destiny for you. Amandla kaNkulunkulu asebenza kahle mayisebenza ebuthakathakeni. Sengathi ngaqala bekhona ubuthakathaka kuqala. Amandla kaNkulunkulu bese yabonakala. I preach to you ungabalekelani nobuthakathaka. La khona ubuthakathaka amandla kaNkulunkulu ayavela. La ngabonakali khona lutho kuzovela into right amandla kaNkulunkulu ayavela. Tell umakhelwane amandla kaNkulunkulu avela ebuthakathakeni. I want to close. Kukho konke sengikhale ngakho kubonakala kuyi-frustration. Ayise amandla kaNkulunkulu asebenza ebuthakathakeni. Mawubona ubuthakathaka yazi amandla kaNkulunkulu ayasondela. Mawubona ukugula yazi amandla kaNkulunkulu ayasondela. My strength appear or work powerfully in weaknesses. La ngabonakala lutho khona. Can I speak to a few people? Amanda, my church is over. Let me tell you, the power of God asebenza ebuthakathakeni. Let me tell some few people, abayithethe ngesalunga lutho. The power of God asebenza ebuthakathakeni. Uluphola bonakala kahle. Asebenza kahle. Yazi umthandazo wami uzothi, Nkosi ngehlule vela amandla nawo uthi Nkosi ngehlule so that amandla akhe azobonakala. Sometimes you ask yourself, why when we are suffering no one comes for help? uNkulunkulu akafuni kube khona abantu abakusizayo mawubuthakathaka, so that when he shows up ekuphakamisa kube uyena yedwa onikeza udumo. Sometimes mawusenkiyeni ubona kuhlehla bonke abantu eduze, you ask yourself why. Uthi uNkulunkulu, call unto me when trouble comes. I shall set you free and you will give me praise. uNkulunkulu uyafuna ukufika emzuzweni la umuntu eseyedwa. uNkulunkulu uyafuna ukufika emzuzweni la umuntu esezamile. I am preaching to a few people here. Asebezamile abathi sizamile. Let me give you an assurance. Now because you are weak, God is coming. But God cannot come makusena abantu abakusekile. Yingakho uDavid mayibhala uthi God prepare the table. Uthi in front of my